to tell you the truth, I couldn't imagine it.
That's the well.
我们直接到这个位置了啊。我们汉族没有空调嘛，只靠那个
对，
柴火一起围绕，一起聊天的地方，就是纯粹文化的地方，要交流，唱汉尼哈巴，就讲故事。现在嘛，刚刚朋友。
Oh my goodness! Wow! Yeah, 这么大，它特别好。So basically, they use the forest as a they use the forest as a garden. That's it. Yeah. So they use the forest to plant the things that we can eat, not have just wild plants. Yeah. Oh, the houses. 这个颜色的 water filter. What do you want?
我觉得你铅笔画的。
I put the logo in the middle because it was because of their name, and also because it is through from our eyes that we, Church Fund for Charity, and all the individual are able to be here. So I wanted to acknowledge them. I wanted to acknowledge For Your Eyes. In addition to that, the name from our eyes is the picture of what the group was seeing from our eyes.
It is one of the signature charity organizations, and it's been around for 15 years already, and I've been part of it for I think at least almost 7. So for me, it's a way to actually give back to the community, and we've actually raised I think close to 10 million or over 10 million RMB since its founding. So I think it's a huge milestone for kind of a small organization like that we are. And for me, it's about eating, drinking, and charity. So bringing people together for good eats and good times.
The most impressive thing is how hardworking everybody is. Everybody played a role. Everybody contributed, from the food to the cleaning to maintaining the village life. There was a constant purpose. Everybody had a purpose. And because of that, you can see a very happy and healthy community.
好，这都放假了，拿这2个就可以了。哦，对，又是深红色，对，绕2圈。好，好，放下。
别说话，听一听，看一看。就是我是第2次来这个村子，啊，就是你听这个各种动物的叫声，就是很本真，很天然。然后再看这个景色，就是我相信，如果生活在这边的老乡，应该看到这个，他觉得他恨不得不看。但是就是对于在城市或者离这边很远的地方的人来到这儿，还是挺震撼的。
Through Children Fund for Charity, we can raise money, and with the money and working with From Your Eyes, the villager and the community can decide what would be best for them.
The village is facing young people going to big cities, so nobody is here for the culture inheriting, and we are happy to help them to build a culture center to help them inherit their culture and enjoy the future.
其实需要更多感谢的还是我们的餐厅，然后当然也包括花钱来吃饭的这些人。另外，其实我们还有很多的赞助商和志愿者，然后再加上这个有很多天然的东西、自然的东西，包括乡村志愿和当地人在一起保护嘛。那我觉得这个是很好的。那我记得那个之前我们吃饭扶持有过一次，也是想说，就是勿以善小而不为，就是如果你来这儿又很开心的旅行，你的旅行的事情其实帮助到了一些事情，我觉得这个是双赢的，还是挺好。
And right now, it's about preserving the way of life, so that the village can continue their way of life through the rice field, through working in the rice field, through their culture and their life. So we hope that the money we raise will be used to benefit.
插个老头，
插个老头，
头高老妹，
头高老妹，
妹高老生，
妹高老生，
山山来里路，
山山来里路，
路里路爬西，
路里路爬西，
西嘎啦罗二三三，
西啦啦罗二三三，
山里老早早，
山里老早早。